Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to generate matching illustrations for your posts using Google AI Studio for free. This is perfect if you want custom visuals that fit your content style without needing to draw or hire a designer. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account, and from the dashboard, click on Generate Media. Now, in the text box, type a clear prompt for the type of illustration you want. For example, you can write, create a flat style illustration of a laptop for a blog post, or generate a pastel cartoon style illustration of coffee for a social media post. If you want multiple illustrations that match each other, you can add in your prompt, create a set of 3 matching illustrations with the same style and colors. Google AI will generate them so they look consistent together. Click Generate and wait a few seconds while your illustrations are created. If the style is not what you wanted, just refine your prompt. You could try things like minimal line art style or 3D modern illustration style. Once you are happy with the results, click Download to save your illustrations for free. And that's it. With Google AI Studio, you can easily create matching illustrations that perfectly fit your post without spending time or money. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one.